Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of January 30th, 2018. The charts from this presentation are given to us from Gettess and their Trade Navigator software. Looking at a weekly bond market chart here, I think we got something happening. We got a Fed meeting going on right now, but taking out all the lows you can see in this sideways pattern here, that doesn't look good. Yeah, there's lows back here, and there's other support down here, 146.13, and then some more around 145.08. But this is breaking down. They should have been up probably to the 149.21 area for resistance this week, and they haven't even sniffed it. They had a rather small range day that closed near where it's opened day. This is a weekly chart. They closed near where it opened last week, and then breaking down out of that, that's sort of a classic breakdown pattern. That kind of looks like they want to go lower. It'll stop someplace, of course, and they will probably come back up and test these lows right across here at some point. But for now, this just doesn't look good. Now, the one thing that could change that is some sort of big surprise from the Fed statement Wednesday afternoon. Not really expecting that. Of course, if I was, it wouldn't be a surprise, right? But I don't expect anything. I think Janet Yellen's last meeting will go pretty much according to plan. They won't surprise anybody, and we'll see what the new Fed does from there. Stocks, well, boy, stocks had a huge down day. Actually, both Monday and Tuesday are down so far this week, and everybody's talking like it's a big deal, which, I mean, it is. The stock market has not broken down 5% in over 400 days. You understand what that means? It hadn't had at least a 5% breakdown in over 400 days. That's never happened before. But if you look at the size of this breakdown, is it significant? No, not on a weekly chart. They're basically into areas where you could find support. 28.25 is this level right in here. Yeah, it's a little sloppy. They're through that some, but they could still hold there. If not, then we're looking at around 28.07 here as potential support, or maybe even all the way down to 27.70. But like I've been saying for some time, they could break all the way back down here at a 2600 level where they had a little swing high they broke out from. They'd still look pretty good if they did that. So, nervousness about the Fed meeting, nervousness about the State of the Union. What this is really about that's kind of funny to me is Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, and Jamie Dimon are all talking about getting a company together to see what they can do about cutting healthcare costs. Well, that scared the crap out of every healthcare stock on the exchange, and that's really a large part of what's caused this sell-off, even though it's actually good for consumers like you and me. So, market going down on good news. How about that? I think there's a buying opportunity. I'm just not sure I can tell you, pinpoint exactly where. We've given you the levels where they could hold. There's so much room that they could go lower without this removing the bull market from it. It's just very difficult to control the risk. But if you're looking to buy, they're in areas where you might be looking right in here, see how they react to the meeting Wednesday, and go from there. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved.